Hi there, this is another short video for casting on. As you know, in my channel you will find a help hour video for lots of kind of casting on, but I am doing also these small videos for casting on that you will pick up the one which you like to use if you know the names of them. Now, we will talk in this video about the long tail cast on. The long tail cast on is one of the most common casting on techniques actually. This is the long tail cast on appearance. It is very beautiful. In this sample, you will purl the first row after the long tail cast on, and then you will go on with your project as you like. Here I did the first row purl and then I continued with knitting this sample. Another sample here is showing the long tail cast on with the ribbing, but here I didn't purl the first row, I just went on and did ribbing, and it looks like this. Appearance is good. The back side of it is looking this way. It has this small bumps. If you like them, you can keep them at the front of your project, but I like always to have this appearance at the front of my knitting projects. Now, for to do the long tail, you need a tail and you need the main yarn. Here at this sample you will see the tail is doing this front loops at the stitches which you will cast on. First of all, you need to know how to calculate the tail which you are going to keep, or you will take another piece of yarn, another ball of yarn, and you will use it you will use it as a tail, and you will have also your main yarn for knitting. Or if you want, you will calculate it. To calculate it, there is many ways for this. One of these ways is you will do a slip knot like this, and you will work, actually you will you will cast on a few stitches. This way you will calculate how much tail you need for the amount of stitches which you have in your project. For example, you'll do 10 of them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. My tail is not long enough, I did 8. After you do 10 stitches or however, you will take them out, you will hold the slip knot which you did, and from this slip knot you will measure the tail. This tail is enough for 8 cast-ons, this tail. So according to this, you will calculate how many stitches you have in your project, and you will go on and keep your long tail at your left side. Tail will stay at the left side, main yarn will be at the right side. The other way is to take your needle and do this 1 2 3 with distances 4 5 6 7 8, and you will see that much from here to here, this is enough for 8 stitches, 8 cast-ons. You will calculate it, or you will take another piece of ball of yarn and use it as a tail, then you will go on with your normal working yarn. Now let's go on and look how we are doing this. This is a very easy technique. You will hold your tail at your left hand, turn it around your thumb this way, take the working yarn over your index finger and then you will hold up both yarns in your hand. For to do the first one, you will, whether you will do a slip knot or you will put from here, pick up the yarn from under, take the working yarn, pass it through and pull, and this is your first two stitches. You will pick up from under your thumb, pick your working yarn from the right ball and then pull. Pick up from under, take your working yarn, pass it through the hole and pull. You see, one more time. You are holding here the tail at your thumb and your index is your working yarn. You will pick from under your thumb, pick your working yarn, pass it through the hole and pull. This is the long tail technique. It is very easy, very beautiful, very useful for every type of project. And there is another way to do it. This is this way. You will take your tail in your thumb again. You will turn it around your thumb. You will pass again from under the same thing. You will not keep your working yarn over your index. You will do as if you are knitting. Turn it around and pass it through like this. Again, you will take it from here, you will pass it under your thumb, your tails piece, and take your working yarn, knit and pass it through. This is again the long tail technique. If you want to use with both hands as if you are knitting, if you are comfortable with holding it at your index, you can go on and do that way, which is more fast for me. But this is working the same again. If you look to here, it is giving exactly the same stitches. You see, they are exactly same. You will go on and purl the first row after the long tail. This is where is my, you pick your, you leave your tail there. You will not work with it and you will work with the, this is my tail. I'm throwing it away and I'm taking my working yarn. This is, you can cut it in a distance from here, or you can turn it around, tie it from here and use it for sewing your project later if it is long enough, or leave it there. You will purl the first row after long tail cast on for to have a beautiful appearance. Then you will go on with your project as you want to do it. If you are using from a pattern, or if you are doing from your imagination, or whatever you are doing, just you will purl the first row after the long tail technique. It is very easy, it is very beautiful, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, follow me, put like to my video, write some comments if you need anything. You will find a lots of small details which any new knitter needs to know. Knitting is very easy, very fun, but if you don't know, just you will watch some videos and learn. You see how much beautiful it is? Here it is. After you do this, then you can go on with your project. If you want to do a ribbing, you can do directly your ribbing as I did in this sample here. I just did directly my ribbing and it looks this way. This is really beautiful. So again, I will say subscribe to my channel, like my videos if you like them surely, and write me some comments, ask from me anything which, sure, not anything because I don't know everything. I am a human. If I can help and if I can upload any video, do any video for your uh, requested requests, I can do them. Thank you very much for watching and see you at the next videos. I have many small videos for casting on in my channel for every type separated, and also I have a help hour video for all of them together at once. You can choose and watch the separated video, or you can go on and watch a help hour video and jump from one style to the other. It's up to you. See you at the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.